one of the most popular cities in the world and also one of the most moved to places of 2020. People think of this place for different reasons, whether it's gambling, whether it's the nightlife, whether it's hookers and drugs and all those other things, but some people think of this place for different reasons. See, even I thought before I moved here that all this place was a good place to go party, get wasted, and go walk down the strip. Well, when I was looking into moving here from LA, I was looking for a few different reasons. I was looking for cheap housing, no state income tax, and especially the circus. See, when I think of Las Vegas, the top 3 things that come to my mind are microwave borderline heat, extremely high winds, and of course, the city where everyone comes to spend all of their money. So what better place to be as an entrepreneur than in the place where everyone comes to spend their money? You know what? We were doing pretty damn well until COVID came around. See, I thought I'd be moving here for entertainment. Last thing I thought I'd be doing is full-time delivery driving. Delivery driving is actually a very lucrative way of making a nice secondary side hustle income. So you can actually log in and make money whenever you want. And you can schedule yourself to work whenever you want. 12:30 already? And you have plenty of time between orders to do whatever you'd like. You could take selfies for Instagram, or you could read books, or not. Sometimes you even get free food. See, DoorDashing isn't that bad. All you gotta do is grab their food, walk up to the door, ring the doorbell or knock on the door.
Hey, is this DoorDash?
Yeah, I got a DoorDash order for you.
Thank you, bro. Keep your
Enjoy.
6 feet though, please. Hey, you ate my fries.
And that's...
My fries.
If you're an experienced driver, you're probably thinking, oh God, am I gonna have to deliver on the strip? But the truth is, I don't know who the hell delivers here because you gotta be out of your mind. I did like 2 orders here and I'm never going back to the strip again. But if you were to deliver on the strip, you definitely need like something like a 1-wheel or a scooter or a skateboard because you gotta walk pretty far from the parking structures into the hotels. See, if I was to give you guys some advice, I would actually try to stay away from the strip at all costs and stay in places like the town center or the outlet mall where there's a ton of different restaurants all in one small area. That way you can get more orders. See, Vegas, if you aren't from here, it's much bigger than you actually think it is, but it's actually only about 25 miles from one side of the city all the way to the other. Now, when you're doing DoorDash, DoorDash breaks the city down into 10 different delivery areas. And whenever you're delivering in a certain area, you have to stick to that area. So there's Northwest Las Vegas, which is basically like horse ranches, and I don't know who else really lives up there. It's basically like Reno. Northeast Las Vegas, basically Utah. It's like, I don't really like the north area very much. It's just not my go-to. It's a little sketchy in some parts. Then there's Summerlin, which is basically where all the rich people live. Then there's Old Vegas. I wouldn't really recommend it because it's basically like the North Strip and you're usually delivering to a lot of casinos. There's also Spring Valley. That's where I used to live. I used to live at the top of Spring Valley. That's basically my old stomping grounds. I love that area. Then there is the Strip, of course. We don't go to the Strip under any circumstances. Then there is the UNLV area. I never really liked delivering to college towns, so I don't really go to that area. Then there's, of course, the Southwest area. That's where my gym is. Then there's the Green Valley area, also where my other gym is, and that's actually the area that I live in now. It's basically more horse ranches and open land. Oh yeah, and then there's Henderson. That's like Egypt, basically. I don't know if anyone ever goes over there. If I could give drivers one bit of advice, I would say you should probably pack a snack. There's nothing worse than just picking up food wherever you go and you're like, oh, I'm a little bit hungry. Maybe I should just order fries for myself. Usually by the end of the day, my passenger seat is full of parking passes, extra napkins, maybe some cup holders and bags and everything you can possibly imagine, and it smells like every single kind of food you can imagine. But long story short, it's a very good side hustle, and I would suggest it to pretty much anyone. If you want to make extra money, or if you like money, I would definitely get on a delivery platform. Thanks for watching, guys. If you guys enjoyed this video at all, please consider smashing the like button, subscribe to the channel for more tips and tricks on how to make more money as a delivery driver, and we will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.